Unraveling, in a hurry, English phrase explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase that you've likely heard often, in a hurry. Understanding such phrases is not just about knowing the words, but also about feeling the rhythm of the language and how native speakers use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get right into it and explore what it means to be in a hurry. In a hurry is an expression used to describe a state of urgency or rush. When someone is in a hurry, it means they are eager to get something done quickly or they need to go somewhere fast. This phrase is often used when time is of the essence, and there is an immediate need to act or move. It's interesting to know where phrases come from, isn't it? The phrase, in a hurry, has been in use for centuries. Over time, it has become a staple in English to express the concept of rushing or being pressed for time. Understanding its historical use can give us a deeper appreciation for the phrase. Let's see, in a hurry, in action. 1. I can't chat right now, I'm in a hurry to catch the bus. 2. She finished her test in a hurry and left the room. 3. Please don't make a decision in a hurry. Take your time to think about it. In these sentences, in a hurry shows the need for speed and promptness in the actions being described. While it's great to know when to use a phrase, it's just as important to know when not to. You wouldn't use, in a hurry, to describe someone who is simply moving quickly but does not have an urgent reason to do so. For instance, saying, he runs in a hurry every morning, is incorrect if you mean that he just likes to run fast for exercise. As learners, it's normal to make mistakes. However, here are a couple of pitfalls to avoid. Don't confuse, in a hurry, with being hurried by someone else. If someone is making you rush, you are being hurried, not in a hurry. Avoid using, in a hurry, for long-term urgency. It's typically used for immediate or short-term situations. There are a few variations in phrases similar to, in a hurry, that can also be used. Rushed off one's feet, extremely busy or active. In a rush, in a quick or hasty manner. On the fly, while in motion or in a hurry. Thank you for joining me today as we unpack the phrase, in a hurry. I hope this video has been informative and that you're now more confident in using this phrase in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning a language is about practice, patience, and fun. Keep at it, and you'll find yourself improving every day. Until next time, take care and keep learning.